We're officially kickstarting this challenge, the A to Z challenge, and today I'm doing A, B, and C. So you're probably wondering why I'm making this intro, but I'm going to show you things you should have in your bag if you want to go out and explore in Dominica. Not no hardcore, I mean, not hardcore and stuff like that. I'm talking about like going around to visit sites and stuff. Now the most important, if you want to care for your skin, is that's my bag. I don't have everything, but that is the essential stuff. You're going to need a sun block or a sunscreen, whatever they call it, and I use that because it's easy to apply. Just do that. You can put it on 30 minutes before you leave. You will go into like outside. So while you're getting ready, you spray some on you, or you apply it, however you do it, and you reapply it throughout the day when you're feeling like it need to reapply. You apply it all on your chest. I have one for my face, so I don't really, but you put in it to protect your skin. Another measure, because the sun is very hot, is an umbrella. You need some sort of covering if you want to be walking. If you like the sun, that's cool, but like that's a protective measure, because walking all day in the sun will give you burns. Then you need a power bank. If your battery die, how are you going to get any service or anything? You can ask strangers, but it's better to be prepared. And don't forget to bring a charger with it too, because if you don't have a charger, or you're going to like, make sure you have all 3 different heads. For example, you have a headphone that using the type, that one there, have the iPhone charger, you have the other one, and just doing everything. You are using headphones like if you're going in public, to sit down on a bus or anything, if you're feeling bored. Because if you're going from like Roseau to Portsmouth, for example, where we are going today, you need some sort of like entertainment. And you can use a riddle book, something. I mean, even though you can look outside the window, to see the views, but after a while you're going to, if you're getting car sick or anything like that, you are covered with your headphones or something to keep you entertained. This is optional, but if you want to, you need to smell good, because you would hardly find people smelling bad in Dominica. So you use a little roll-on perfume. I using that like an oil. My sister's selling them, and they're so cute. It's like, oh my god. And yeah, I think that is all. I have my lip gloss because my lips have to stay popping.
Now, if y'all want y'all lips popping like mine, come holler at me. It's
But I think that's all. And yeah, oh, you need your wallet, normal stuff, right? But that is just, oh my god, my band come out. That is just things you need to put in your bag, or else you will suffer the consequences of the sun burning you and having no cell to contact with people outside. Let's get back. Okay, so I get the front seats and mommy got the back. Hi mommy? Mommy give me a front seat because I want to record outside and stuff like that. Yes. Okay, so a warning. If you're driving on the road to like going to Superior Spotted, and your first time driving here, please do not drive fast, because the road is it is thin, as you can see. You see that? One way. Please drive cautiously. Okay, we're approaching. Where are we going? You can see the nice view of Scotland. I don't know if you can see it. I think that is Jungle Bay. I would love to go there, but yeah, it's not showing. But I think that is the best view you can get, is on top of that thing there. I think you can like do snorkeling and stuff there. For like people that love those stuff. I don't love those stuff at all. And Yeah. Put a little closer here. It's very beautiful. I so happy today is like a sunny day. You can see everything clear. So when you go to the top over there, you can watch like
Hello.
all of Dominica.
I just so free, yeah?
This is the mountain. Have you seen that? Wow. Okay, so I don't want to go outside because we're not staying alone, but see how the water clear. Okay, so next stop, I'm going to go with my S-Mat to buy some stuff. No, windy. Oh my god, what? The wind is so strong. People show you I go for the closer to the sea. Oh my god, I afraid my phone fly. But here's that's where the cruise ship are. Must be, I think. From what I heard, I just really come there. But watch a good view. I have like a little swing. Like I'm not going to trust that because it's not looking trustable, but like yeah, you can see what it is. I could never. My mic for now because the wind very strong. So you can be able to hear me at my little mic. But yeah, we are trying to bring the vehicle up, but because we have an elderly like ready, so we go with us. So they give me a little pass. I like to walk. It's have a sign there. Let's read the sign. What is those? Wildlife on the Cabrits, basically showing different creatures. What is that? Okay. Oh yeah, I was there like about 3 years ago, trying to record it. Okay, have little. I think that was the trees they was talking about, like the trees with the long roots. Oh, wow, so pretty. Never been here, but I'm not gonna sit down. Okay. Okay, we have a little history here. The trees written during the 18th and early 19th centuries. Most of the forest on the Cabrits was cut down to clear land for the garrison. The forest you now see around you. Dates from 1854 when the garrison was abandoned. There are also some experimental plantations from the 1960s and 70s. Yeah, so about it is that they had beautiful trees. No? Yeah, bay tree, Baden. That's my favorite tree. Smells so good. I don't know that one. Silk cotton tree. I think I see that already, you know. The savonette. I do not know about that one. But I know that one though. I think that one is the one that does make the oils with, I think. I'll ask my mother.
Really? If I have small enough team, I'll still box.
This is the entrance, I think. Well, as I can see. I do not know where. What's the
I can see the reading the thing outside.
let me see.
Look, I'm seeing.
That is where I was stood up
I thought
outside.
it was Spider-Man.
They don't know that.
Echo too.
B stands for beach, and right now we're at Purple Turtle Beach. So you can do lots of stuff on this beach. You can bathe, you can chill with your family and your friends. Actually, it's the scenery is so beautiful that I cannot even describe how cute it is, guys. I wish I could bathe, but I forget my bathing suit, my bathtowel at home, and yeah, I wish I could go and dip right now. But that's all. I'll give you a little walkthrough in a while. So let's go. Actually, please don't litter on the beach. Roger, see that? That's not good. Pick up your rubbish and go at your room. You know. See, there's like spots you can sit down and chill, and it's open to everybody. It's a public beach, right? There's nothing wrong in a public beach that's actually clean. So when you come there, you pick up your rubbish, you go home, you have fun. You can see like the water is so like blue and clear, and everybody's having fun. There's not much to it, but you will surely enjoy your stay or your visit to Purple Turtle Beach. This is the grand finale of this video. A, I admire the nature of Dominica. B, I'm at the beach. And C, I visit Cabrits. There's three things you can do from A, B, and C in this video, and I hope I inspired you to do what I did today. You could be more adventurous, you could do other things, you could go and hike or whatever you want to do to see the nature, but I am a very simple person. I rather do simple things. So if you could subscribe, like, and if I make a next part. I hope you tune in by putting on your notifications below. Thanks for watching. Bye. Yep.